अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome you all intermediate second year students to the online Arabic class number 1. For second year students, this is our initial class, first class. Today I will introduce Arabic reader to you. Today we will cover the topic Introduction to Syllabus and the weightage of marks. Okay. First you pay a look to your reader. This is your Arabic reader. Are you able to see it? Okay. This is your Arabic reader. The name is Intermediate Second Year Second Language Part 2 Arabic. Azhar Al Arabiya Second. Prose, poetry, grammar and non-detail is written here. In Arabic, As-sanatu thaniyatu min ath-thanawiyati al-aliya intermediate. Al-lughatu thaniya, al-juz'u thani, al-lughatu al-arabiyya. Azharul Arabiya الثاني النثر والنظم والقواعد والقصص القصيرة. This is your reader. Today I will give you a brief introduction to the syllabus orally. Then we will study this on the board. We will learn about this on the board. Okay. In your reader, in your Arabic reader name is Azharul Arabiya As-Sani. Azharul Arabiya Part 2. This is your reader's name. This reader comprises of 4 sections. Section 1, grammar. Then section 2, prose. Section 3, poetry. And section 4, non-detail. Prose, poetry, non-detail and grammar. In your reader, these 4 sections are there. In each section, you have 6 lessons. In section prose, you have 6 lessons. In section poetry, you have 6 poems. In section non-detail, you have only 3 lessons. In non-detail, you have 3 lessons. Remaining sections are comprised of 6 lessons. And last section is grammar. In grammar, you have 6 lessons. Okay. What is the weightage of marks? So the weightage of marks is from grammar section, total 40 marks paper will be covered from grammar sections. Okay. And as far as the poetry is concerned, 29 marks paper will be covered from the poetry section and 23 marks from the prose section and remaining 8 marks is from the non-detail section. In this way, the paper will be of 100 marks. Minimum scoring marks is 35, means minimum 35 marks declared as pass. Minimum passing marks is 35 and maximum scoring marks is 99. Okay. Let's begin our class with the phrase Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. What is the translation? The translation is in the name of Allah. In the name of Allah. Right. Are you able to see the board clearly? Okay. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most gracious, the most gracious, comma, the most merciful. One more thing I would like to express, I would like to tell you that this academic year has been started a bit late. The academic year, which has to be started in the month of June, instead of June, we are starting our academic year in the month of September as per the government notification. Okay, so basically we are starting our syllabus a bit late in the month of September. From September to March, our academic year is from September to March. So maybe there are chances of reducing the syllabus. We have in the syllabus 6 lessons in grammar, 6 lessons in prose, 6 poems are there in poetry, and 3 lessons are there in non-detail. Maybe the government will take a decision shortly about reducing the syllabus. If the syllabus is reduced to 50% or 60%, then we have to study those lessons only, need not to cover all the syllabus. Okay, we will wait for the government notification for that. Till that time, we can start section grammar and the beginning lessons from section grammar, beginning lessons from the section prose and all that. Okay. Here, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू, निहायत मेहरबान, बड़ा रहम वाला है. What is our topic? Our topic is introduction to syllabus. Introduction to syllabus. What is there in your syllabus? We will cover today. Introduction to syllabus and weightage of marks. Okay. First, in introduction to syllabus, your reader name is Azharul Arabiya. Azhar al-Arabiya. Azhar al-Arabiya. In Arabic, Azharul Arabiya. Azharul Arabiya. This is your reader's name, Azharul Arabiya. Second, the first part was in your first year, second part is in your second year. Part 2, Azharul Arabiya, part 2. Okay. Your reader's name is Azhar al Arabiya, part 2. In Arabic, Azharul Arabiya. Azharul Arabiyyatu. What is the meaning of Azhar? Azhar is the plural of Zahrun. Zahrun means flower and Azhar means flowers. Al-Arabiya, Arabiya means Arabic language. So, we will come across with a few flowers of Arabic language. Okay, in this this is the meaning of your reader, but it is actually a proper noun. We don't have to translate it, but for your convenience, what is the meaning? Maybe a question will be pinned in your mind. The question may comes to your mind. That is the reason I am clearing your doubt. Azhar means flowers. Al-Arabiya means Arabic language. The flowers of Arabic language. In this way, we can translate it, but we don't have to translate because this is a proper noun, and proper noun will not be translated. For understanding, we can take the meaning, but we don't have to translate it. For example, we have a proper noun Charminar. We cannot translate Charminar as four minarets. फोर माइनरेट्स, फोर चार मीनार, ऐसे हम जो है ट्रांसलेट नहीं करते, प्रॉपर नाउन ट्रांसलेशन में नहीं आता है, उसका नाम ही वैसे होता है. Similarly here, Azharul Arabiya is a proper noun, we don't have to translate it. Now, here the reader is divided into four sections. Is your reader Azharul Arabiya divided into four sections. Section 1, first one is section prose. Are you able to see the board clearly? Okay, section prose. Second is section poetry. Section poetry. Third is section prose, section poetry, section non-detail. Section non-detail. Okay. The last one is section grammar. Okay, section prose, section poetry, section non-detail and section grammar. These four sections you have in your one reader. Need not to purchase any reader. All the sections are covered in one reader only. Okay, section prose you have 6 lessons. How many lessons are there in section prose? We have 6 lessons. If the government reduces the syllabus, then we will look after it later. That is a later thing, but I am giving you the total syllabus introduction. If the notification comes that we have reduced the syllabus to 60%, then the excluding chapters we will leave. The government will exclude some chapters, leave some chapters, we don't have to study those chapters. Okay. Section prose we have presently we have 6 lessons. Okay. And in section poetry we have 6 poems. In section non-detail you have 3 lessons. And in section grammar you have 6 lessons. The total comes to 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Total lessons are 21 lessons. Okay. The total is 21 lessons. In this academic year, we have to study, we have to learn about 21 lessons. We have to study these 21 lessons. 6 lessons from prose, 6 lessons from poem, 6 lessons from non-detail section, 3 lessons from non-detail sections, and 6 lessons from grammar section. This is your syllabus. Now come to the weightage of marks. How many marks are given to a particular section? How much marks paper is covered from a particular section? So we will write here from section prose. Here the heading is weightage of marks. WEIGHT, weightage of marks. Weightage of marks. Okay. First we will write, okay, here poetry, prose, non-detail, I will write ND. ND means non-detail. ND stands for non-detail, remember this, and grammar. Here, is there any problem? No? Then you may ask me when we unmute your audio in the interaction session. Here from 1 to 1:40 we have our class. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, weekly 3 classes are there. Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Today is your first class, weightage of marks, poetry, prose, non-detail and grammar. How many sections are covered from the from poetry section? How many sections are covered from poetry? So we will write here section also. SEC would be enough for section. Poetry section, prose section, non-detail section and grammar section. Okay. Now, first we will write poetry. Better I will rub this. Okay. We can write the sections here also. From section poetry, how many sections are covered? Your paper will be of 16 sections as you have come across in the first year intermediate level. This is in second year also you have total 16 sections, 16 bits paper will be there. From section poetry, the bits of which bits are covered from section poetry? Here, section number 1 will be covered from section poetry, carries 6 marks. Okay. And section second also from the poetry section carries 6 marks. Then section 3 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. Section 4 belongs to non-detail, carries 8 marks. Okay. Here section 5 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. Section 6 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. Section 7 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. Section 8 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. Okay. Then section 9 belongs to poetry, carries 5 marks. Section 10 belongs to prose, carries 5 marks. Section 11 belongs to grammar, carries 5 marks. Section 12A belongs to grammar, carries 4 marks. Section 12B belongs to grammar, carries 4 marks. Section 13 belongs to grammar, carries 8 marks. And section 14 belongs to grammar. Section 14A belongs to grammar, carries 4 marks. Section 14B belongs to grammar, carries 4 marks. Then section 15 also belongs to grammar. Section 15. Section 15 belongs to grammar, carries 5 marks. Sorry, it carries 6 marks. Okay. And section 16. Section 16 belongs to grammar and carries 5 marks. Now, we will write the total sections and total marks. Here, from section prose, one section, from section non-detail, one section will be covered and carries 8 marks. Okay. Here, from section poetry, how many sections are being covered? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 sections are covered. 5 sections and carries how many marks? 6 for the 24 plus 5, 29, correct. 29. 29 marks paper will be covered from section poetry. 29 marks are divided into 5 sections. Section prose, how many sections are covered? Section 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sections are covered from section prose and carries how many marks? 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23. 18, 19, 20, 23. 23 marks. Okay. Here in non-detail, section 1 covered and carries 8 marks. In grammar, total sections are covered. Say 1, 12AB considered to be one section, 1, 2, 3, and 14AB will be considered as one section only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sections are covered. 6 sections and marks 5, okay, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 4, 31, 31 plus 4, 35, and 35 plus 5 comes to 40. So, from grammar section, total 40 marks paper will be covered. And from non-detail section, 8 marks paper will be covered. From prose section, 23 marks paper will be covered. And from poetry section, 29 marks paper will be covered. Got it? So, the maximum marks are covered from grammar section. That is the reason we will start section grammar first. Then we will start other sections. Okay. Got it. Here, let me read once for you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Introduction to syllabus. The reader is Azhar al-Arabiya, second part. Azharul Arabiya, part 2. Al-Juz'ut Sani. In this reader, you have 4 sections. Section prose, section poetry, section non-detail, section grammar. 4 sections are there. And from section prose, in section prose, you have 6 lessons. In section prose, you have 6 lessons. In section poetry, you have 6 poems. In section non-detail, you have 3 lessons. In section grammar, you have 6 lessons. The total comes to 21 lessons. If the government reduces the syllabus, we will inform you about it later. Okay. Now come to the weightage of marks. How much weightage is given to a particular section? How much weightage is given to a particular section? We will write here. We have written here. Here you see, say from section poetry, section 1, section 2, section 5, section 7 and section 9 are covered and carries Total marks is 29 marks. Here in prose, section 3, section 6, section 8 and section 10 are covered and the total marks are 23. Section from non-detailed section, only one section is covered, carries 8 marks. And from section grammar, total sections are covered, 6 sections are covered in from the grammar section and they carries 40 marks. Now let's do the total. First section, poetry. From poetry, 29 marks. Then prose. Prose, how many marks are there? 23 marks. Then non-detail, I will write ND for non-detail, which stands for non-detail, ND. 8 marks. 8 marks paper will be covered. And from grammar, 40 marks paper will be covered from grammar section. Here we do the total, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. 0 carries 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total marks is 100. What is the minimum passing marks? Minimum passing marks or minimum scoring marks, you may say, minimum passing marks. Passing marks are 35. Minimum passing marks are 35. If you want to pass in your exam, then you have to get at least 35 marks. And maximum scoring marks from 100, maximum scoring marks. Maximum scoring marks are 99. Maybe you got 99 in your first year. Okay. We don't give 100 marks. Okay. 99 we halt to 99 marks only. No 100 marks will be given to any students. Okay. Here the maximum scoring marks is 99 and minimum passing marks is 35. Okay. We will start the first lesson in our next class. Okay. We will start the first lesson in our next class, that is from section grammar, lesson number 1. So from section grammar we will start our first lesson. Now doubt clarification session, we will start the interaction session. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand and ask. Okay. If you want to ask anything,